Hello everyone. This video is about to tell you about a new feature that we are launching in SEMAI. Typically, what happens is your website content may not be enough to make sure that you are hitting your target market or your target ICP. So what happens during that time? How do you figure out your AEO content strategy? So the GTM led AEO readiness feature here, it kind of helps you in doing that. Now, most of the time you can look at your website and come up with your content strategy. Now, here what it does is you are able to basically add your current GTM, what's your focus the next 6 months, and create a content strategy customized for them. For example, let's take SEMAI as an example, right? So I'm basically doing a GTM strategy for SEMAI AEO launch. I'm choosing which LLM, which is the Google AI or ChatGPT, the geography I'm going to focus on. Then I start filling out what are the key aspects or key capability of SEMAI. So it's an AEO geo platform. These are the industries I'm targeting: SaaS, fintech, cybersecurity, HR, tech, professional services. What are the key capabilities of my product? What is the ICP? 200 to 1,000 employees. Who's my target audience? What is the buying trigger, buyer persona? What channels do they find solutions? Some of the key pain points. How do I sell? I'll say PLG, direct self-service. What is the deal cycle? I'll say 1 to 3 months, 3 to 6 months. What is the conversion triggers, like free trial sign up? I would say even a demo session. Then some key competitors here, right? So, and also my priorities. So once I fill out all these things, I'm able to generate the GTM clusters. What is a GTM cluster? Based on the information I've given for SEMAI, my GTM, I'm able to come up with a content strategy to make sure that I'm relevant. I'm able to provide or generate relevant content so that I'm visible for this specific GTM. So it takes a couple of minutes to generate the clusters. As I go here, I'll be able to see the progress. Typically, it will take anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes. Let's wait and see. So it's ready now. So we're going to click on this. And what it gives is basically a full cluster playbook in terms of what content, what are the clusters, what content you need to write for each cluster. So you can activate all these clusters. So for example, it does as a default, it has given one cluster where for AI overview and LLM citation ROI model, SEMAI ranks has an average citation both in top and for middle and bottom of funnel. The top of the funnel is quite weak. And which are the other competitors? Now I can always create a planner directly from here. I can say create planner, and then that planner leads to content generation. So now that planner is ready, I'm going to view the planner. What it has come up with a full list of content based on my GTM cluster. So you get an 8-week content. Now what I will do is I'll be able to generate the content right from here. And once I generate the content, automatically the queries that gets needed, so the queries that needs to be in the content comes up. I can choose my style. I'll say, okay, conversational. I'll say mid-funnel. It automatically gets the internal links. I can even upload a case study if I need to for citation purposes. It takes a few minutes to get the queries up and running. So what it says is these are the queries that the content will consist of for this topic. All I have to do is generate content. Now the content is available to view. So you get the title tags, meta descriptions, headers, then the content itself. You can use the chat box to add, fine-tune your content. The interlinks automatically comes in. You can export to as a HTML text or doc. Or if you have WordPress, you can just publish it directly in WordPress. So this is your GTM-based cluster generation. Then you identify the topics and then generate content.